Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are shooting with Parker Lane. We took the iX out straight away, so I didn't really have a chance to do a bit of an intro, but as you can see behind, we've got the Java Green M3, which we'll have seen from the Open event that we attended. We tried to get this one out to do the shoot with, but because it's on the platform, there's a bit of restrictions and stuff behind it. But this colour, not this exact car, but this Voodoo blue colour, we are actually taking out on the M3, but it's not going to be a convertible. So we are just about to head out on that one. That'll look so good, like out, and oh yeah, I'm gutted that we didn't get to take this one out. Because I think they said that there is two, I think, or it might have been two of these anyway. But yeah, imagine that out on the streets. But luckily enough, we do have the M3 with this one. So yeah, I'm excited to get on with the shoot, but we've just literally got to nip in quickly, so this is sort of like the introduction, and then I'll overlay the iX footage and stuff from that. I have the GoPro and everything on, but yeah, look how good this looks. This is the first time seeing one of these in this colour in person, M4 CSL. I'd seen a white one in person, but this just looks mad. Yeah, look at that. The front grille just looks so good. There was two identical ones here before, so Parker Lane actually took them out and got photos of them, which looked pretty cool with both of them together. So yeah, I'll get some quick pictures of this. But yeah, how good does that look? It's a nice lineup. So we've got the M4 CSL, and this is what we're taking out next. Yeah, let's get a couple of shots inside of this. So this is the M3 that we are taking out, LCI as well with the screen that you can see, carbon roof, nice touch. And I think this one is it X-Drive? I'm not too sure. The thing is with the X-Drive model, you can't actually tell if it's an X-Drive or not unless you're the one that bought it. But get a couple of snaps of it like this. But yeah, this colour. So this one is the Voodoo blue colour. It looks a lot different to the one that you saw in size. I suppose it's obviously the lighting and stuff like that. But yeah, this looks so good. I hope that the colour reflects on the GoPro, because I know GoPro likes to saturate colours, but I'll try and get it as true to life as possible. Yeah, look at the 50th anniversary badges as well. One of my favourite touches. I think it's quite nice to see people, even though it's not a 50th anniversary edition, but putting them on themselves. Yeah, just the lighting and everything like that. That should have been carbon though. But it does have ducts. Yeah. This is the first time I've ever shot in this location. That looks sick. Look at the backdrop as well. Yeah, that's good. Oh, see if you can see me. Turn the wheel. That's sick. Look at the horizon as well. Yeah, I like this place. There was like, you want to get it like here because it shows off more of the thing, but it's not central. Yeah, this looks so good. Oh, there's actually some green in London. Don't see this stuff around. Although it's a bit of an awkward place for it. It'd be nicer if it were like, I can't even see because it's, yeah. In fact, yeah, that's probably better because then I can see it now. Oh, that looks better. Thanks. I found out this bitch. This spot is too good. If only the planes were a little bit closer, that'd have been sick. We're just getting into position. We've already done photos here, but oh, it's a shame that it's so bright in the background.
I can really see the car, can you?
I know. It looks good though anyway. To come down here. It's the Jeff Koons 8 Series, which is pretty cool actually, but I thought it would be a bit more of a limited run than what it actually is. Because I was just speaking to the guys and they were saying that there's 99 units of this, and I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, it's just gone, but it was 305,000. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is a very nice design and everything like that, but I think if it was a little bit more limited, it'd feel a bit more special. And yeah, this one is a bit of a, it does look cool though. Back in London, this is actually quite a nice street, to be honest. Getting some photos of the IX.
I think because I've got the keys, if I just walk away, it just turns itself off.
Oncoming traffic here. With the guy behind, don't really fancy getting run over. So this is the X-Drive 40, which is the same one that I took out when I was with the blue one, which is actually really nice. I like this colour on it. To be fair, I've had some good colour choices with the cars and things that I've been able to take out. It's massive actually. Composition looks a bit weird. Right. Oh, that's not too bad actually. Yeah, we'll do that. Spin it around and we'll just hold it.